So here's the low ceiling fan display. Harbor Breeze Classic 2. Get your ceiling fans here. Yep. You got the Hunter Notice. This is the Harbor Breeze Armitage 2. Just a bunch of the 44 inch, amazing. This cool stuff here. Yeah, that fan's falling out of the motor. Those two are falling out of the motors. No animations. Cypress Point. There's more here. And here's some of the boxes for the fan. And the Cypress Point away. More Harbor Breeze. And some Hunters. Armitage 52 inch. And a bunch of lights in here. Down rods. Fan boxes. All the replacement parts. Yeah, kind of recommend. There's a bunch of plates. You get some appear to be light fixtures. Some more fans. The center of the wow is the China Deluxe. And yeah, that's all. Bye.